KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back, and welcome back to my world. A couple of computer glitches slowing us down today, but hopefully some of the model data will populate in the weather show here, so apologies in advance if it doesn't look that good. Let's go ahead and take a look to set up the story out there today. Just a gorgeous day, lots of sunshine, and oh yeah, we got the cane a-going here. Those are the smokestacks. This is down by Jeanerette here where we are burning sugar cane, and we have the open fields and a lot of cane being burnt. Some ash in the air as well. So the air quality, if you checked out my Facebook and Twitter feeds, a little bit below where it should be because of the soot in the atmosphere thanks to some of the cane in the air, but that's a very big important part of our economy and the crop in the area. So here we go. This is setting the stage for what's setting up for what's going to be a wet and stormy Thursday. Upper level low here by California, a stronger system impacting Pacific Northwest, subtropical jet stream. It all spells an easy forecast where we can say there's going to be 100% chance of rain and storms as we get into Thursday. Across the lower 48, pretty quiet. Pacific Northwest is where the action is, coming in with that secondary system. Some rain down to the south, but it's all going to come together tomorrow, starting in West Texas, western Oklahoma, and then the rest of Texas as we head into Wednesday evening, and our part of the world as we head into Thursday. Meanwhile, high clouds coming in, painting a very pretty sunset this evening, and those high clouds are going to kind of cap our overnight lows closer to the upper 30s on the I-10 corridor. Still the chance of frost northern portions of Acadiana by daybreak. Here are the temperatures this morning in detail. You had temperatures mostly in the upper 20s. 31 was the official low. This is just a snapshot at 7 o'clock this morning, and then it warmed up nicely this afternoon. Got up to 61 for the high in Lafayette. Now already chilling down upper 40s, heading for 30s in most of Acadiana later on tonight. So here's Futurecast indicating those high clouds gradually coming in and keeping our temperatures closer to 40 by morning, at least in Lafayette. Dull sunshine to start the day tomorrow. Then we segue to mostly cloudy skies for the afternoon, but it will be mild with temperatures in the mid to upper 60s through drive time tomorrow. Tomorrow night, the risk of a few passing showers, but the main action coming in on Thursday, especially Thursday morning, per the RPM model with rain and storms. One will have a warm front, and then we'll have some stronger storms, perhaps in the warmer sector. That means we could have a severe weather threat as well. We'll talk a little bit more about that. And the RPM model bringing the heavy-duty stuff through the area by the end of the morning, and then maybe some shower activity into the evening. While the European model, oh good, it has populated. This is the good news. The European model a little bit slower on the rainfall, but it does show a little bit of a break Thursday night into Friday morning where we may get a peak of the Geminids meteor shower, which actually peaks beginning tomorrow night, but we're going to have clouds. Thursday night's the best night generally, but no promises on we're going to get to see much this time around. And then as we head into Friday, like this past weekend's weather system, lingering clouds, some patchy drizzle. It's going to be a chilly day. I don't even think we get into the 50s on Friday. And then it will be a cool weekend with partly to at times mostly cloudy skies. This model is going for more clouds Saturday, a little bit in the way of sunshine early Sunday, but high clouds coming in by Sunday afternoon. And that's the way it's going to play into early next week. A relatively benign forecast, but a mixture of clouds and sun. As for rainfall, here's the European model as it populates. Not going for much in the way of heavy rainfall, maybe an inch or 2 inches of rain. We'll take a look at more model data coming up on the 10 o'clock show, including the RPM tonight at 10 as well. Severe weather threat, a marginal severe threat for all of Louisiana. That's for the possibility of a supercell thunderstorm that could produce maybe isolated wind damage and or a tornado, but it's not a high-end threat at this point. Something that we'll keep an eye on, and we'll fine-tune that severe weather forecast for you tomorrow. Temperatures tonight, chilly for sure, and this is where we could see frost. Ville Platte, Alexandria, Bunkie, Opelousas, maybe even toward Kinder. It's going to be dependent on how long we're at these temperatures and whether those high clouds make an impact, but we're going to have a light southeast wind as well, so it's going to be a rather damp temperature in the mid to upper 30s tonight. 37 Crowley, 38 in Lafayette, and a little bit cooler out in Cecilia, and cool down along the coast with the exception right by the water at Cameron you're going to be near 50 degrees tomorrow morning, so a nice spread there. After that chilly start, we get into the upper 60s tomorrow. Tomorrow night, we hold upper 50s to lower 60s as we head into Thursday morning. And Thursday afternoon, even with the rain and storms, if those storms get out soon enough, maybe a few breaks in the clouds, and we might see 70 degrees Thursday afternoon before it chills back down as we head into Friday. So not as cold tonight, but a chill out there for sure. Patchy frost possible in the northernmost parishes of Acadiana. 38 the low in Lafayette. Tomorrow, a milder day for sure. Partly sunny early, but the clouds dominating late. 67 the projected high. And as we go down the road, here's your Thursday. It may not rain all day long, but a good part of it will say 1 to 2 inches possible with that marginal severe weather threat. Clouds lingering Friday into the weekend. A little sunshine thrown in here and there. And that's the way it goes for much of next week. Seasonable temperatures, and after Thursday's weather system, we don't see a big weather maker down the road. So we'll take a relatively benign forecast with highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s. And maybe the computers won't work so hard and get locked up just as you're going into commercial break. The panic of the meteorologist.
It was cold this morning.
Yeah, it felt good. It felt, yeah. That's it.
When in doubt, Rob, just blame weather. That's what
right.
we do anyway.
Or blame the weather guy.
Or the weather guy.
Everybody does that as well.
You said it, not us. Thanks, Rob.